project preliminarily looked at the trajectories of badminton shuttles. In the project, I first looked at how the drag coefficient of the badminton shuttle could be found. I did this by comparing my experimentally filmed trajectory with a theoretical trajectory that I modeled on Python. I did this using two types of equipment. One was a pressurized pipe that was connected to a bicycle pump, and the other was a badminton feeder. Using these two, I could be able to collect the experimental trajectory by filming it. I also looked at whether the badminton shuttle would experience quadratic or linear drag, and I also did this by comparing theoretical and experimental trajectories. When doing this, I noticed that the theoretical trajectory demonstrated a phenomenon called the aerodynamic wall, which I then wanted to look into to see whether in experimental research this aerodynamic wall would also be demonstrated.